Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, thanks for having a look. I'm just heading up to Pukekohe Park Raceway just to see what state it's in after it being closed down, and they're starting to disassemble it apparently, so might see if I can fly my drone around, have a bit of a look, relive some memories of hooning around there, and yeah, see what's going on. Well, I made it up to Pukekohe Racecourse. Not much going on here. It's pretty much all still there. I had sort of been under the impression that it started destroying it, digging it up and things, but they've only pulled down the bridge over into the pits sort of area, but the whole rest of the track's still there, so which I guess it's a handy road if they're doing horsey shit around the place. But anyway, I might see if I can fly my drone around and see if there's anything going on other parts of the track. Okay, well, let's go and have a little fly around and see if we can see anything. See if we can not get pulled up by anyone. Hopefully not crash into any cables as well. Those were the days. Flat out down the back straight on my slow motorbike, getting passed by everyone. Fun times. We seem to be getting a bit lower. Don't really want to have to walk all the way over there if I crash it into something, which is a distinct possibility. Now, I never went round here with this loopy bit, so I'm just going to go straight through. And see how good you were on the brakes. Did always like this bit, even though it was a bit bumpy. Then over the hill. And there it goes. And then down the front straight. Whoa, to glory. So, boring as shit from a commentary perspective, but what can you say? If you've had a good time and fanged around Pukekohe, yeah, that's all you need to know, really, isn't it? That you've been there and done it, and sometimes done it twice. So anyway, I'm going to head back home and think about the past or some shit. Anyway, maybe we'll see you next time. See ya.